Welcome to the phone transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix access is denied on Android application. Let's get started. Step 1, grab your Android phone and open an app that is showing the access is denied message. For example, let's try opening the camera app. If the access is denied, don't panic. Just follow the next steps. Step 2. Now, go back to the home screen and open the Settings app. This is where we'll make the necessary changes. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps option, then tap on it to open the list of installed applications. Step 4. From the list of apps, scroll and find the app that is having the issue. For example, let's select the Camera app. Step 5. Once you're in the App Info menu, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This is where you can manage the app's access rights. Step 6. Now scroll down and locate the Camera option. Tap on it and you'll see that the permission is currently set to Denied. Step 7. To fix this, simply select Allow Only while using the app. That's it. Your Camera app now has the necessary permission. To check if it's working, go back to the home screen and reopen the Camera app again. You should now be able to use it without any issues. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.